Alright guys, bit of a quick update with a bit of demolition going on. Badu be over with the, he's got his little pickaxe there. Just managing to get the wall down, first bit of the kitchen's out. All that, hopefully get all that out tomorrow. On the ceiling, I've took the ceiling rows down and starting to work my way around the top because I really don't like this. It's very dated. So I'm going to take all that down. I'm going to take the rest of the picture rail off as well because that makes it look dated as well. But I'll probably keep this one round because you're going to tap some lights around the back of it, which won't look too bad. But I'm going to take all this out, and kitchen out, tiles out, and then we'll get it ready for Igor to do the refit on this because I think the downstairs is going to be the first job. I'll do all the lighting, but I'll get Igor to do the plastering for us and put the new kitchen in once April's decided what kitchen she wants. But we are getting there. You can see it's had a water repair there before on the ceiling. They have had it repaired. But this week there's a TV unit coming, so I've got to get all this stuff down. So instead of worrying about things hitting it, it will become just an issue of keeping it clear of new plaster and paint rather than worrying about it getting damaged. This sofa is quite an interesting one. It's actually two single sofa beds, metal action. It's probably a late 70s, 80s design. I'm going to give all the knickknacks to the charity shop. And these lights, I'm going to get rid of one of these today. But we started a meeting to go on, so it's going to be an interesting renovation project.